Hey everybody and welcome back. In today's video, we are showing you how we can fix the Facebook Marketplace listing not posting, whether it's stuck or not loading or not uploading photos or showing an error. You can just go over and follow up these steps for that. So access a quick settings panel for that, and once you access it, you should be finding the airplane mode section right here. Flight mode, you can hold it up or directly tap on it and turn it on, and once you turn it on you can turn it back off, and you can also try switching between the Wi-Fi and the mobile data, and also restart your router if needed, and check your internet connection because a weak connection will stop Marketplace from uploading photos or posting the listings. Also update your Facebook application. Old versions can cause such kind of errors, so go to your Play Store application for that, and within your Play Store you can search for Facebook. And once you find Facebook, you can just go over and look out for the update option if there is any kind of update available, and try posting it again. Also clear the Facebook's cache. So close this up and hold the Facebook application and go to the app info. And within there, you can just go over and scroll down and look out for the storage section and tap on it. And then look out for the clear cache option. And that should fix 80% of the posting issues that may be happening on your Facebook. Also try logging out and logging in again. So open up the Facebook application for that. And once you open up the Facebook, look out for the menu option in the top right and select it. And within there, scroll down, look out for the logout option and tap on it. And once again, log in again and try posting it into your marketplace. And also, when you are trying to post in the marketplace, make sure that you are not violating any kind of rules or using bad keyboards. And if you have received reports from other people, you may be restricted. So that may be the reason why you are not able to access the marketplace. And that is it. Probably those are some of the solutions you can follow up, and that's how we fix the Facebook Marketplace listings not posting. You can try each of the method, and one of these will definitely solve your issue. So give this video a like and also subscribe for more tips and tutorials.